guys, my name's Aurora, and since school is going to start soon, I thought that you should learn the subjects that we have at school. So the last term we only had online school due to COVID-19, and this was not so nice, but I hope that the new scholastic year will be better. So let's start. Matematica, maths, matematica, storia, history, storia, geografia, geography, geografia, chimica, chemistry, chimica, biologia, biology, biologia, educazione fisica, PE or physical education, educazione fisica, arte, arts, arte, musica, music, musica, inglese, English, inglese. My favorite subjects are, le mie materie preferite sono matematica, inglese, educazione fisica, arte e spagnolo. What are your favorite subjects? Quali sono le tue materie preferite? Who is following my channel already knows how to say the school supplies, and if you did not, please click the link up here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please put a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!